Okay, so in this video, we'll talk about how to make surround music for the video, okay, using the Video Studio. Let's open the Video Studio, and then we go to the Edit. We drag a video to the video track. So this video has a music inside, okay, let's play the music. So the first thing we need to do is to select the video and we go to the audio, split audio, okay? So it will split to the voice track, okay? So we drag it to the music track, and then next we go to the sound mix, okay? Click it, open the sound mix panel. So you can see over here, it's a music track, okay? So you can see it automatically has a mark over here around the uh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 second. Okay, so we make another mark over here. So you move your mouse to the middle of the line and click. You can mark it. Okay, so we add another one over here. Let's drag it. So we add another one. So every 6 seconds we mark it. Okay. Okay. Let's minimize it a little bit. So we mark it another over here. So every 6 seconds we make a mark. Okay. So at the beginning, the music is in the middle. So it has the balance almost the right channel and the right channel has the same level. Okay. So it is actually it's in the middle. We want this one to the right side first, then go back to middle, then go back to the left side. Okay. So that means here we want the music to the right side. Okay. So go back to here. We want to go back to the middle. And here we want it to the left side. And here we go back to middle. And here we go back to the right side. Here we go back to middle. And here we go to the left side. After 6 seconds, we want to go back to the middle. Okay. Okay, now let's try to see the results. Yeah. So you want to see the result, you go to the project, click it. You can see it's moving, and the left channel is going down. Okay, so that's how you do that. If you want, you can listen to the music again. I will go to the beginning and let you try that. That's it. Hope you enjoy this video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.